Hi.
Hiro-san, how are you?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got another great recipe with this baby gator.
Yes.
Hiro-san, let's show everyone the parts and pieces.
This is the leg, and this is the tail meats. Out. Lay it down.
Oh look, yeah, a lot of meat. It's good for some tempura gator.
Alligator rib.
Alligator ribs,
Yeah, like that.
You're going to be doing something like a fried alligator legs?
Right.
Kind of like wings, like chicken wings, you know?
Yeah.
And
I
really
have
popular in Japan and also Korea. I love that little bit
Yeah.
fried chicken, which is so crunchy. What are the other ingredients, Hiro?
I have a ginger and garlic, and soy sauce, sake, and egg, and salt and pepper.
Salt
Yeah.
and pepper and one baby gator head.
They get the head like that.
Just watching and make sure that everything's done correctly.
Mm.
And thank you very much for the food. Okay, Hiro-san, what is the first step?
Let's do. First thing is I'm gonna actually, I'm gonna cut off this one.
Okay.
I don't need it from here to top. So take
Oh, I
it,
kind of like it with that claw, though. It looks so cool.
right? Yeah,
Let's take a look at this thing.
let's see.
Cute. I don't know what you call it. Paws, feet, toes? What do you call these things? Anyway, interesting.
Right? I'm gonna take off these things.
And we are going to be visiting the farm in Ocala again, but this time they're going to show us how to process it from raising it to dispatch it too. So that'll be coming up soon.
Okay, I'm gonna use these parts.
Okay?
I'm gonna make it like a chicken wing,
Yeah.
That's fine.
Everybody loves fried gator meat. That's how it's usually eaten.
Here. And here some meats. Okay. And from the tail meat, I just gonna take. This is actually one side, and this is the other side. Right. I'm gonna keep. I take just only half one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, I'm gonna keep this in here. That I'm going to use for my fried alligator.
Okay.
Okay, first salt and pepper. soy sauce, and then sake. and then ginger and garlic. Okay, this one keep in 20 minutes like this. After 20 minutes, the alligator marination is done. So I'm going to add the tamago, which means egg. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the ova this time.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna take out a little bit of juice out. First, I'm gonna put the egg, whole egg. Then mix it up. Nice. Then today I'm going to add the ova. Just cut into small. Nothing. Yeah, just cut into smaller. Like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna mix into here.
You know what I feel like, Hiro? With this alligator sitting here like this, looking. You know what it reminds me of? The lady cooking with dog.
Really cooking. Oh,
You know, she
Yeah.
has it was like a black poodle. Sadly, it passed away. Her poodle passed away a
Oh,
while
that-
ago, like a year ago. So she has a stuffed animal sitting there with her. Now we have a baby gator watching, kind of like your pet.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna do actually a little bit. I'm gonna put in the cornstarch here.
Okay. You watched the channel before?
I think I saw.
Yeah, it's all in
Sure,
Japanese, and they have subtitles on the bottom. Many traditional Japanese recipes. Cooking with dog.
Cooking with the dog, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Good. So let's see.
So you dip it a second time in cornstarch, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. It's going to give it a really nice crunch. Kind of like what you used to make in the restaurant, UFC chicken.
Yeah, that's what we call it.
They
UFC.
like the ultimate fried chicken or Korean fried chicken. And this soy sauce sake combination is so good.
Right.
Next time you guys fry chicken out there, try it and use cornstarch instead of flour. How's the gator's almost ready?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Almost.
Touching it. How can you tell? Just touching it?
Yeah, just pinching.
How do you pinch it? I mean, you don't have any nerves in your fingers? Oh my goodness. That's crazy, though. It's super hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, but not much. You know.
Not much. Yeah.
You can eat.
Normal people can't do that, Hiro.
Yeah.
Really, I'm telling you. You must have some supernatural powers.
Supernatural. Okay,
That's it?
I can make 2 dishes.
Wow.
If you put everything, one plate, it's way too much.
A lot of meat.
So this is
Oh,
good.
look how beautiful that looks.
Okay. So
And,
alligator.
This
Of
is
course,
another
alligator.
episode of Cooking with Gator.
Yes.
Take a look at this. Wow, beautiful dish. I'm telling you, it smells so good from here. Can't wait to try this. Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Yeah,
if
thank
you guys
you
like
very
this
much.
video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the tasting part. Have a great
you.
day.
Tasting parts.
Are you ready, Hiro-san?
Yes.
Been waiting for this fried gator for a long, long time.
Mm.
And not just from the frozen bits you get from specialty store, but one from a whole gator. All right, Hiro-san, let's give it a try. Smells really good, I can tell you.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Just like a chicken.
Just like chicken, right? The meat looks really, really tender.
Very soft.
Soft, right? Yeah, I can just tell it looks really tender.
Doesn't have any, nothing bad smell.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Very good.
This piece? Oh, it's still hot. Try this out. Mm. Very tender.
Yeah, but nothing tough, you know.
No, not at all.
Mm.
It's kind of between like dark meat and white meat. That makes any sense.
Mm.
It's not that dry, but it's not that fatty and juicy.
Mm.
Kind of a combination of the two. The flavor is spectacular. You guys got to try this at home. The taste is so good. It's nothing like what you can order at a restaurant.
Mm.
Restaurants that get gator bites, most likely they have the meat, and I'm not sure what part they're using. A lot of times it's just dry. This is actually so moist. And if you guys can ever find gator like this, I know it's kind of hard because you gotta buy the whole thing, but it's really tasty. The meat's very succulent. Highly recommend it. I mean, if you can't find gator, just make it with some dark meat chicken, but use the same recipe. You guys are gonna love it. Hiro's made this for the restaurant before, and it was one of the best sellers. A lot of people call it Korean fried chicken. We call it UFC. Sell a lot of Japanese restaurants as well. What do they call it in Japanese restaurants?
Tatsuta-Age.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
Yep.
Very nice.
Very good. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And hopefully this little guy approved. Okay, Hiro. Thank you.
See you next time.